Hi guys, it's Miss Carmen here, back with another story, and today we are going to read Big Dog and Little Dog by Dav Pilkey. And let's get started. It's a new book. Big Dog, Little Dog are very hungry. Big Dog and Little Dog want food. Here's some food for Big Dog. Big Dog is happy. Here is some food for Little Dog. Little Dog is happy too. Big Dog and Little Dog are full, but Big Dog and Little Dog are sleepy too. Big Dog gets in his big bed. Little Dog gets in his little bed. Big Dog is lonely, and Little Dog is lonely too. Shh. Big Dog and Little Dog are sleeping. And that is the end. Thank you. Have a good day.